Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to share with you guys reliable and trusted, fast and trustworthy shipping company that can bring your goods from China to Nigeria, Kenya, Cameroon, and some other parts of the world. I'm going to share some of the shipping company with you guys on this video. But before I get to the tutorial started, as you guys know me, I'm an importer and a procurement agent, and also an importation and procurement coach. So if you have not yet subscribe to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe. If you would like to have some information about importation business related, remember to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can connect with me for importation business purpose. You can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here. And also, if you would like to join my paid class, you can decide to join to learn how you too can be a successful procurement agent, or how you can procure by yourself without using agents, how you can understand all this Chinese business. You can connect with me on WhatsApp. Sorry for the interruption. If you have interest to join my paid training. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see some of the trusted and reliable shipping company I have been using in the past and they deliver. I'm going to share some of them with you guys on this video. Why, if you have business interested, you can connect with me for further information on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Alright guys, so this is the first one I would like to share with you guys right here. I have worked with this shipping company in the past. They have shipped my goods without any delay, fast, reliable and trustworthy. Everything was intact the way I procure from China. I got my parcel right here in Nigeria without anything missing. Okay, and one thing about all these shipping company is that before you can do business with them, you need to connect with them on WhatsApp, just like what you see on the screen right here. So immediately you contact them, they're going to give you an information like this. Now, this shipping company, they have an app. I will take you to the app after I'm done with this explanation. One thing about this shipping company is that they have office in Lagos, Nigeria. They have office in Kano. They have office in Abuja and Onitsha. This simply means that these are the places they have a physical location right here in Nigeria. But nevertheless, if you have your parcel to be delivered to some other part of the country, you can still use this shipping company. They deliver to anywhere. All you have to do is to tell them everything is based on the instruction. Tell them that you want them to ship your parcel to your preferred choice of location in Nigeria. This is for Nigerian sake. And one thing about this shipping company also, they have three methods of shipping. The first method is by air shipping, just like what you see right here. Air shipping take about 7 to 14 days. That is about 2 weeks. And at the time of making this video, they charge 9.5 USD per kg. Then another method by which this shipping company renders service to cargo service is 14 days services. This is just a new method of calling C plus air cargo. So if you are interested in this category, you pay $6 per kg if you ship by this method, but your parcel will arrive Nigerian after or before 40 days. Then the last method by which shipping companies ship is CBM, which is always known as sea shipping method. So the minimum kg per the minimum CBM they can ship, they will communicate with you when you talk to them on WhatsApp. And also this one right here, they charge 420 USD per CBM. So I will take you guys to, so the rest, Kano have different price, Abuja as and etc. So one thing about this app, let me take you to their app. So right here it is okay. Oh, sorry, that's not their app. Still okay, this is their app. So let me walk you through how you can use their app. So when you are successfully connected with them on WhatsApp, you will be asked to download their app. So when you download their app, you register with your number and your name and your phone number, use it to register. When you register successful, so this shipping company, they ship from China to Nigeria, Kenya, Cameroon. You can see as it's displayed on their app. So they ship to China. Say, okay, sorry, they ship from China to Nigeria, they ship from China to Cameroon, they ship from China to Kenya, etc. So one thing, another thing about this shipping company is that they have a 10 USD coupon. When you use their shipping service for the first time, you are entitled to 10 USD coupon. So if you don't know how to use the coupon when you choose them for your procurement and shipping, make sure you talk to the customer representative on WhatsApp. They will guide you properly on how you can use that 10 USD coupon. So now, for you to know your shipping address, because you get your shipping address from the app, all you have to do is to tap on choice right here. So you click on my choice. When you click on my choice, it takes you here. So this is your shipping address. So this one right here is my personal shipping address. So for you to copy, all you have to do is to click on copy. So you're going to copy it automatically. You can see my phone number here and my member registration number. So this is what I have for you as far as this shipping company is concerned. They are very much reliable. I've used them in the past and they deliver my parcel without any stress. So let me take you guys to another shipping company that can ship your parcel from China. So just like how I show you the previous one, guys, this is another shipping company that you guys can use for your shipment from China to Nigerian only. This shipping company, they ship to Nigerian only. Okay, so for you to use this shipping company, they have two methods of shipping. They ship by air and they ship by sea. And by air of this shipping company here, it takes them just 1 week to deliver your parcel. So you can see it right here. This is okay, this is CBM. This is sea cargo information. Okay, this is sea cargo information, and they have separate department for sea cargo. So if you are using this particular shipping company, which is Sky Cargo, if you are using them for your shipping from China to Nigeria, they ship to Nigeria only. So if you are using their sea shipping method, you have to contact their shipping, their sea shipping department, because they have a separate department for this. And if you are using their air cargo department, so they have another separate department for that. Their air cargo take just 1 week to get your parcel in Nigeria, where their sea shipping take about 2 months or maximum of 3 months, you get your parcel in Nigeria. One more thing about this shipping company is that if you are using this shipping company for your air cargo and you are buying from different supplier in China, maybe you are using 1688 or you are using Taobao or you are using Pinduoduo to procure your parcel from China, one thing about this shipping company is that they do not collect parcel from different supplier. So if you have something similar like that, you have to contact another department that will collect your parcel and send and consolidate it before send it to the Sky Cargo shipping company, before they will now ship the parcel in a single parcel down to Nigeria. So another one more thing about this shipping company, which is Sky Cargo, because you need to understand all these things. Because one thing is that if you apply from different supplier and you are trying to use this shipping company without informing them, without using their parcel collector section, what they are going to do is that each time your parcel gets to their warehouse in China, even if you have a parcel that is less than 1 kg, they are going to ship it down to Nigeria just like that. So if another one arrives, they're going to ship it consistently until your parcel finishes. So, and these things like this, it end up you run into a big loss, because they are going to charge you for the shipping fee. Even if your parcel is not up to 1 kg, they will ship it and they will round it up for you. If your parcel is not up to 2 or 3 kg, they will round it up for you and they ship it. So for you to be on the safer side, if you are very new to procurement and shipping business, make sure that you are using a Sky Cargo. The Sky Cargo, they are very much reliable. I have used them quite a number of times for my procurement and shipping business, and they deliver without any delay, and their price is very much okay. No hidden charges. Everything they say is the same thing. So if you are using them to collect your parcel, you have to go through their parcel collector. Like I explained in the beginning of this video, you have to go through their parcel collector before they will now ship the parcel to your to the Sky Cargo warehouse, before they will now ship down to Nigeria. That's just the process. The same thing goes for sea shipping. If you are using Sky Cargo for sea shipping, they have a minimum CBM that you can send. If your parcel is less than 15 kg, they will automatically convert it to air shipping. So you need to know all these things. So if you are using them for sea shipping, make sure that you are buying in a large volume of products or parcel or goods. Okay. If you are using them for air cargo, make sure that you use their parcel collector in case if you are buying from different supplier. So they will collect the parcel as the parcel arrive from different supplier, consolidate it and send it to shipping department of Sky Cargo, and they will now ship down to Nigeria, and then you get your parcel when your parcel arrive in Nigerian warehouse. So all this process, they also all these steps and the process, this company also have an app that you can use to track your parcel from China until your goods get to you right here in Nigeria. So let me take you to their app so you guys can see. Right here, so this is the Sky Cargo app. So this is the Sky Cargo app, and you can see. Okay, so my account, so system messages, this is where you see the updates about what is going on, tracking logistic. If you have any parcel on transit, this is where you track your parcel. You can see these are my past tracking, and everything is there. Then home, this is home, and for you to know what are the products that this shipping company they don't accept, you have to click on here, prohibited item. And this prohibited item, it means that the product you must not send to their warehouse. So you don't just go and buy without know all these things. So this is very much important for you. If you are using Sky Cargo, you need to understand all these things. These are prohibited, list of prohibited items that this company is not allowed to ship into the Nigeria. So if you are buy anything in this category and you send it to their warehouse, I'm sorry, they will not ship the parcel. So this is the second one I have for you guys. So let me take you to another. Like I explained in this video, there are a lot of shipping companies tested and trusted that I've used in the past. We cannot discuss everything in this video, but I will try as much as possible and show you guys two more shipping companies. So another one I have for you guys right here is E&C Logistics Company. This company also, they are very much reliable. I have used them in the past and they deliver the parcel. They offer air cargo and sea cargo. So let me take you to some of the country they ship to. You can see it right here. So this company here, they can ship from China to Nigeria, from China to Ghana, they can ship from China to Mozambique, they can ship from China to Kenya, and they can ship from China to UAE, which is Dubai. So these are the places that this shipping company cover as far as shipping from China with a trusted and reliable shipping company is concerned. All these things are very much important. If you love your business, you need to make sure you choose the right shipping company that is trustworthy and fast, deliver efficiently. So this is what I have for you guys as far as a trusted shipping company from China is concerned. Like I said, I have a lot, but we cannot discuss everything in this video. If you have any question for me as far as this video is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And also, if you have any business related issue with me as far as China importation is concerned, you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, or on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to teach you guys how you too can be a successful procurement agent, or you want to learn how you can procure by yourself without using agent, feel free to connect with me via the number on the screen of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.